going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage. Today I'm going to be doing a comparison between the C7carbon ZL1 front splitter and the C7carbon ZL1 1LE front splitter. Now we're going to take a look at these as I am actually in the process of installing this. So if you guys saw the install video, this is the video I was talking about. If you guys have not subscribed, consider doing that down below. We've got a lot of great things coming to the Wrenched Out Garage as a whole, and I think you guys will enjoy it. So let's dive into this real quick. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of footage. You may have seen some of this on some of the other installs for the ZL1 or the ZL1 1LE, but I want to just show you guys so you understand the differences between these. But first and foremost, you have the ZL1 1LE front splitter. Now this front splitter, they both mount identically. They go under into the front lower portion where you will do just a 7mm bolt install that runs along the undercarriage of the car. Now both of them utilize the same exact install method. Super simple to install. We've got them in gloss black. They do offer these in carbon fiber, and of course you can get it painted as well. These are both, in my opinion, high quality, very nicely done front splitters for your GEn Camaro. So the ZL1 1LE obviously has the side winglets. It's quite a bit bigger than the ZL1 standard front splitter in numerous senses. One, obviously the ZL1 front splitter just mounts directly under, and it adds quite a bit of profile. Now if you look at this, you can see right there, that's the depth. So this mounts directly under, unlike the ZL1 1LE, where it mounts under and then swoops all the way up and goes over to your front grille. Now obviously I'm gonna show you guys both pieces, installed, not installed, and everything else. But ultimately, there is your big design. So you gain quite a bit of front splitter without obviously having anything if your car has no front splitter at all. Now, again, both of these are super simple to install. I recommend checking these guys out. In fact, I'll put links to all of these down below. Now, I did purchase this one out of pocket. The ZL1 1LE was sponsored from C7carbon. I'm not going to go into a lot of details about that other than check out the link below if you're interested in this product. Now, a couple of things to know. Obviously, the ZL1 1LE is wider, it's deeper. I mean, it's an all-around a lot bigger front splitter, and it obviously wraps over the front onto the lower portion of the grille as it was supposed to. So let's take a quick look at a little bit of footage from both of them, installed, not installed, and then of course sitting here on the bench. So the reason I wanted to do this video was just to simply help you guys decide on which one you're looking at. Now, obviously, there's a pretty big difference between the two. You've got kind of the the standard, almost the Lamborghini or Huracan cuts on it, pretty nice. And then you go into the more complex, more aggressive. I think the ZL1 1LE is quite a bit more aggressive look. But what do you guys think of these two products? Again, they install identically. Visually, they're quite a bit different. So I do like both of them. However, I like the ZL1 1LE a little bit better. That's why we got it installed. So again, the links for all those products are down below. And if you guys haven't checked us out on Instagram and Facebook, take a moment and jump over to those sites. You can do it yourself, or there's links to those down below as well. We also have a lot of really cool things coming with Garage Talk, our garage news, and so much more here at the Wrenched Out Garage. We appreciate you guys stopping by. Again, hopefully this helps you guys decide on what foot splinter you're gonna run on your 6 GEn Camaro. Hopefully you choose one or the other. Obviously there's more options out there as well. We went with, in this case, we got to use both. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you're out riding or driving, do it safely, and we'll see you guys in the next video.